Chrysler is a name that resonates deeply in the history of American automotive innovation. Founded in 1925 by Walter P. Chrysler, this iconic brand has been a symbol of engineering excellence, bold design, and a relentless pursuit of progress. Over the decades, Chrysler has not only shaped the automotive industry but also become a reflection of American ambition, resilience, and ingenuity. Let's start by looking back at Chrysler's early days. Walter P. Chrysler was a visionary who believed in pushing boundaries. His first major achievement was the Chrysler 6, introduced in 1924. This car was revolutionary for its time, featuring a high-compression six-cylinder engine, four-wheel hydraulic brakes, and an air filter, innovations that were far ahead of their competitors. The Chrysler 6 wasn't just a car, it was a statement. It proved that Chrysler was a brand that valued performance, safety, and cutting-edge technology. This foundation set the tone for the company's future. In the 1930s, Chrysler continued to innovate with the introduction of the Airflow, one of the first cars designed with aerodynamics in mind. While the Airflow wasn't a commercial success, it demonstrated Chrysler's willingness to take risks and challenge conventional thinking. This spirit of innovation became a hallmark of the brand, inspiring future designs and engineering breakthroughs. The post-war era saw Chrysler solidify its place as one of the big three American automakers, alongside Ford and General Motors. During this time, Chrysler introduced iconic models like the New Yorker and the Town Country, which combined luxury with practicality. These cars were not just vehicles, they were symbols of the American dream, representing prosperity, freedom, and the open road. In the 1950s and 1960s, Chrysler embraced the era of muscle cars and performance vehicles. The Chrysler 300, introduced in 1955, became an instant classic. Known as the Beautiful Brute, it was one of the most powerful cars of its time, featuring a Hemi V8 engine that set new standards for performance. The 300 series became a cultural icon, embodying the spirit of speed and power that defined the era. However, Chrysler's journey hasn't been without challenges. The 1970s and 1980s were turbulent times for the automotive industry, and Chrysler faced significant financial difficulties. But it was during this period that the brand demonstrated its resilience. Under the leadership of Lee Iacocca, Chrysler made one of the most remarkable comebacks in corporate history. The introduction of the K-car platform and the minivan revolutionized the market. The Chrysler minivan, in particular, became a game-changer, creating an entirely new segment of family vehicles and saving the company from bankruptcy. This era proved that Chrysler wasn't just about building cars, it was about adapting, innovating, and finding solutions to meet the needs of its customers. In the 21st century, Chrysler has continued to evolve. The brand has focused on combining luxury with modern technology, offering vehicles like the Chrysler 300 and the Pacifica. The 300, with its bold design and powerful performance, remains a favorite among enthusiasts, while the Pacifica has redefined the minivan with its hybrid options and advanced features. These vehicles showcase Chrysler's commitment to staying relevant in a rapidly changing industry. But Chrysler's impact goes beyond its vehicles. It's a brand that has shaped American culture. From its iconic designs to its role in popular media, Chrysler has become a part of our collective identity. Think of the Chrysler Building in New York City, an architectural masterpiece that stands as a testament to the brand's legacy. Or consider the countless movies and TV shows that have featured Chrysler vehicles, cementing their place in our imaginations. Chrysler's story is also one of collaboration and partnership. Over the years, the brand has joined forces with other automotive giants, including Daimler and Fiat, to expand its reach and capabilities. These partnerships have allowed Chrysler to tap into global expertise while staying true to its American roots. Today, as part of Stellantis, Chrysler continues to innovate and explore new frontiers in the automotive world. Looking ahead, Chrysler is poised to embrace the future of mobility. With the rise of electric vehicles, autonomous driving, and connected technologies, the brand has an opportunity to once again lead the way. The recent introduction of the Chrysler Airflow concept is a glimpse into this future. This all-electric vehicle represents Chrysler's vision for a sustainable, high-tech automotive landscape. It's a reminder that, even after nearly a century, Chrysler remains committed to innovation and progress. In conclusion, Chrysler is more than just a car company. It's a symbol of American ingenuity, resilience, and ambition. From its groundbreaking early models to its modern-day innovations, Chrysler has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible. It has weathered challenges, embraced change, and remained a beloved part of our culture. As we look to the future, Chrysler's legacy serves as a reminder that with vision, determination, and a commitment to excellence, anything is possible. Thank you.